Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. We've got another midweek vlog for you. This week we had some lovely family time, so I thought I'd capture it all in a slightly longer video. We started off at my sister-in-law's house, just a quick visit before she heads off to America. She was so kind to gift us some fresh vegetables from her beautiful garden, and I couldn't resist giving you a little tour. Honestly, it took me straight back to Bangladesh. All that fresh produce like hodu, lemon and more, it was such a treat.
Look at this. Mom's getting excited. Oh wow. Tawa 3-4 ta khali ji phuta mase. Afar London garden pura Bangladesh bagan ola han. Uri shopta.
As soon as we got home, my mum couldn't wait. She immediately started cooking with the hodu. She even made a buzzy dish that I've never tried before, but my husband had recommended it, and honestly it turned out so good. Mum's already
preparing to make something with the stuff that she got from Afa's house today. This is something new. We never tried this before. It's hodur baholor kita. Bazi banani or namaze. Apparently people in Moli Bazaar like this. So if you're from Moli Bazaar, let me know if you have tried a hodur baholor bazi.
The next day we were invited to Cambridge to my uncle's home. He's also from Sriramshi and my mama's best friend. I want to say a big thank you to my mama and their family for hosting such a lovely barbecue party for us. It really felt so special, and it's amazing to stay connected even though we live in different counties and areas of the UK. It was actually my first time travelling from London to Cambridge, and it was beautiful. So much quieter than the busy traffic back in London. The houses were gorgeous and there were hardly any apartments at all. It really had a different charm. On the drive to Cambridge, we passed through so many open fields, endless stretches of greenery. It instantly reminded me of Bangladesh, those wide, peaceful spaces where you can just see nature all around. There's something about the openness, the fresh air and the calmness that makes you slow down and appreciate the journey. And if you watch my Bangladesh vlogs, you know how much I love long drives. I hardly ever travelled outside of London unless it's a flight to somewhere, so this was a very exciting trip for me. We arrived to Mummy's house, and there was a nice welcoming for my dad as he was the dulabai. It was such a throwback to Bangladesh welcomings. I think us Bangladeshis, we do the best when it comes to hosting parties. They had organised a lot for us. There was so much food, and even curries were cooked, and we was not expecting all of this, so thank you so much.
Quick tour of her garden. That's one thing you get a benefit of if you're living outside London. You have such a big garden, so you could plant as much as you like. So mashallah, she has so much space. Look at the tomatoes.
We came early as always. No one was here apart from my Boro Mama, but that's his best friend's house. So my daughter really enjoyed the open garden. She even missed her nap, and she was definitely excited to see kids in the house. We started off with eating curry, which already made us really full, and then we started to play Uno with all the kids. I am very competitive with Uno. I started warning all the kids not to cheat, but there were a few cheaters in the group, which made me a little bit mad, and I was winning, but I had to leave the game halfway, unfortunately. So I will be coming back hopefully to continue the game, guys. It was my cousin, so my Boro Mama's son's birthday, and they were so sweet. Mama Mummy, they got him a lovely cake to celebrate.
Happy birthday to you. Mom, do it like a
With all the curry and all the cake, I was confused whether we'll have any space left in our stomach to have any of the barbecue, but we did delay it for a little while and then we started with the barbecue, and the weather really helped. It was beautiful. A little shout out to Mama and Mummy's daughter. She made all these desserts by herself, super talented, and she was helping out with all the house chores. She's very, very young, and she left us feeling embarrassed because my mum was just complaining how we don't help out at all.
You want the music on?
Oh, you ate?
I think a barbecue is not complete if you don't pose near the barbecue grill, and that's exactly what my dad was doing.
That looks good.
I wanted a little bit of introduction for my mama's house that we had attended today. So if you're from Sriramshi and you recognize him, do let me know in my comments.
Assalamualaikum. আমরা আছি বর্তমানে ক্যামব্রিজ সিরামিশি সায়াদালির
Also, আর আমি আইছি আপনার লগে দুইও মেম্বার সবার লগে আমি আইছি
আসলে বারবিকিউ পার্টি
ঠিক আছে
Listen to that shh, shh, the sound of the grill, cooking up all the garam garam chicken and kebabs makes the heart happy and the stomach even happier. Here we are all together, mama, fufu, khalas and all the cousins, one big family under the open sky, plate in one hand, smile on every other faces. Look at this perfectly grilled chicken, juicy burgers and of course some salad and mishti on the side, because no matter where we are, a little desi touch always makes it taste better.
You like that though? Nice, yeah? Mama, I'm Jumai, I react burger, like both. I burger.
Kids are running here and there, the uncles are sharing their back in the day stories, a little bit more political talk as well, and the aunties are making sure nobody leaves without eating iftaro.
I don't know which one to choose. Seriously. 10 out of 10, love this. I will 100% try every single dessert. This one is also really nice. We thought since we're here in Cambridge, we'll come to see. This is a very popular mosque in Cambridge, so we thought we'd just come and quickly see it.
Could be. Yeah, I think it is, maybe.
Unfortunately, we did go to the mosque when it was just about to close, so there was hardly anyone there, but the details of this mosque is beautiful. And there's a lot of historical artifacts that I didn't get the chance to read, but I did take a little bit of photos and videos. And that is all for the vlog. We did head back to London and we had an amazing time in Cambridge with Mama and Mummy. They had amazing hospitality. I would like to once again thank everyone for inviting us. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll be seeing you back till next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.